people. How are you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I have started some seedlings with the mango seeds. My son purchased, it's called, this mango, and it's called Ataulfo, Ataulfo mango. So I put these seeds in paper towel and placed them in this plastic bag on March 9th. I want to see, I believe they're rooted. Let's see what's going on with them. I have two of them, and then after I eat this one, I'm going to plant that as well. Oh yeah, we got some roots starting here. That's nice. Let's check this one out. Ooh. It's a little bit. Started a little bit. It's kind of browning at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and plant this one as well. Now, I started a mango seed, and it wasn't this organic Ataulfo mango. It was just a regular mango. I don't know what kind it was, but I started this on December 11th, and here's my plant thus far. So I'm going to put both of these in the same container right now because I have soil prepped already. So what you're supposed to do is plant them with the curved side down. And I am just going to clear some area here. Let's see. One on one side. The soil's a little damp, but not really. That has a small sprout. I'm going to put that here. And then right here on this other side, I'm going to place this one. And this has a nice root system starting. Cover them up. For the most part, I'm going to keep that sprout out. And spritz them. Spritz pretty good because I'm going to cover this. That should be good. And what I'm going to do is cover them with this top. Oh, that's still spritzing. Cover with this top, and then I'm going to, it has holes. I'm going to put some saran wrap on top of that, cling wrap, plastic wrap, whatever you want to call this. Plastic wrap. And then I'm going to set it in a sunny area. It's a cheap dollar store plastic wrap. It doesn't stick too well, but I'm going to put another piece and go across the other way. Now let's get that top on straight. I could just cover it with the plastic, but I want to leave this dome on here once they start sprouting so that it creates the, what do you call it? Humidity in there, the greenhouse effect. I think that's what it's called. Okay, something like that. Might get some tape and go around here. This stuff is not, I should have used my, what you call that other stuff. Anywho, whatever. I think I'm gonna get some tape and tape it. But anywho, I'm gonna label this, date it for today. And it's, like I said, it's called, let me read this. Ataulfo is a sweet popular, let me start over. Ataulfo is a popular sweet golden yellow mango variety from Mexico, known for its fiberless, buttery flesh and thin pit, often called honey or champagne mangoes. So we're going to try. We're going to see what happens. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up. And we'll see you soon. Peace, love. Toodles! Happy growing. Grow with me so that I can grow with you.